National Unity Day is celebrated every year on 31st October to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. This day is celebrated to make people aware of the importance of staying together and uplifting the society. It was celebrated for the first time in 2014. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. He was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. He is recognized as the real unifier of India for his immense contribution to integrate and make India a united nation, for which he is also known as the Iron Man of India. Women of Bardoli bestowed the title Sardar on Vallabhbhai Patel after the success of the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928. He died on 15 December 1950 in Bombay. Several events are organized on this day like Run for Unity, which is a nationwide marathon to increase awareness about the contribution of Sardar Patel to national unity and integrity.